Can I tell you what's been on my mind?
Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm going to show you an amazing chicken and peppers recipe that I came up with just the other day. It's a sweet and sour chicken recipe that is flavored with honey and lemon. Chicken is a very common meal, so I am always coming up with ways and means to change up the flavor and taste just so it doesn't get boring, and you guys will absolutely love this recipe. So let's get started. Alright guys, I have 4 medium-sized chicken breasts here. We're going to start by slightly pounding the chicken. I always like to pound my chicken breasts because a little bit of pounding will make them extra tender, and they also cook more evenly this way, so it's always a win. Once the chicken is slightly pounded, I'm going to season them with salt, black pepper, dried oregano, garlic, and onion powder, paprika. Season one side of your chicken, then turn them over and season the other side as well. Next, I like to let the chicken sit and infuse all those spices and get flavorful while I prep the other ingredients. So while the chicken is resting, we're going to make the sweet and sour sauce. In this bowl, I have some honey. Into that, I'm adding soy sauce. For a nice lemony flavor, we're going to add the zest and juice of 1 lemon. Go ahead and mix everything together, then set aside for later. Next, we're going to heat up a skillet over medium heat and add some oil. Once the oil gets very hot, you're going to grab your chicken and place them into the pan. I was able to fit all 4 chicken into my pan, but if you're using a smaller pan, make sure you don't overcrowd your pan, okay guys? You're going to sear your chicken for 3 minutes on one side. Searing the chicken will give them some extra flavor. After 3 minutes, you're going to turn them over, and you want to see this beautiful golden brown color on them. Immediately you turn over your chicken, you're going to add some peppers. I'm using red and yellow bell peppers, and I cut them into rings because I thought they looked beautiful, but you can slice them up if you want. Next, add the sweet and sour sauce. Then you're going to reduce your heat to medium-low. Afterwards, go ahead and baste the chicken and peppers with the sweet and sour sauce. Next, pop the lid on. Then you're going to let the chicken and peppers simmer gently for 8 to 10 minutes. You can give the chicken a little bit of basting during the cooking time to keep them nice and moist. Then once the chicken is fully cooked and has reached an internal temperature of 165 Fahrenheit, you're going to take them out of the pan. At this point, if your peppers are not soft enough, you can cook them a little longer in the sauce, but they look fine to me, so I'm going to take them out of the pan and place them onto the chicken. I like my sauce a little thicker, so I'm going to add some cornstarch mixed with water to thicken the sauce slightly. Let the sauce cook for about 2 or 3 minutes until thick, then pour that all over your chicken and peppers. Doesn't this look so good, you guys? It smells amazing. I served mine with some cilantro rice. I made this rice in a previous video. I'll leave a link in the description box.
Gosh, I love good food. This is so good.
The chicken is so tender. It has a perfect combination of sweet and sour taste from the honey and lemon, and the peppers are soft with a little bit of crunch. Perfect. You guys will absolutely love this recipe. If you want the ingredients and measurements, make sure you check the description box, and please subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell. That way you get notified whenever I upload a new video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.